Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fish Kabiraji, a true Bengali culinary gem. We'll go through each step, ensuring you can create this popular snack perfectly at home. You'll learn about selecting the right fish, preparing the flavorful filling with aromatic spices, and achieving that signature crispy coating. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this incredible dish, a true delight. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need approximately 500 grams of boneless fish, such as betki or hilsa, ensuring a smooth texture. We'll also use 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste for aromatic depth. Don't forget 1 cup of breadcrumbs and 2 eggs for the coating, plus 1/4 cup of refined oil for frying. Now let's prepare the cutlets. First, boil and mash your fish, then combine it with sautéed onions, ginger garlic paste, and your chosen spices to create a flavorful mixture. Next, shape this mixture into uniform oval cutlets, each about 2 inches long. Dip each cutlet into beaten egg, then generously coat it with breadcrumbs, pressing gently to ensure a firm, even layer. For the final step, heat your refined oil to 175 degrees Celsius in a deep pan. Carefully place the coated cutlets into the hot oil, frying them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once fried, remove them and drain any excess oil on paper towels. Serve these crispy delights hot with your favorite mustard sauce or ketchup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.